welcome to another video. The function f of x is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 4x to the power of 2 minus 3x plus 12 has two zeros, root 3 and minus root 3. What is the third zero to this function? Okay, so this is simple, but how do we get the third zero to this? We're going to use a very swift method. We're not going to use the trial by error method. Neither are we going to use the long division method by using one of these roots to divide this function. Okay, that will take us some time. But yeah, I want to show you a quicker method to solving this. So let's take a solution first. Okay, now let's write our function. We said our f of x, right? F of x equals to our x to the power of 3 minus 4x to the power of 2 minus 3x plus r squared, right? So from here, I want to say let the third zero, let the third zero be, let's take it to be t. Let it be t. So if the third zero is t, so we're going to express the whole of this expression in terms of the first, second, and the third root. So this is going to give us, or this now implies that our x to the power of 3 minus 4, x to the power of 2 minus 3x plus our 12 will now be equal to, bracket open, the first one we have x minus the square root of 3, close bracket, the square bracket into our x minus our bracket minus square root of 3, close bracket, square bracket close, then into the third one, so we have x minus our t. Okay, what we do here, we just have to open up every expression we have here. So this is going to give us our x, to the power of 3, then minus 4, x to the power of our 2 minus 3x plus r12 will now be equal to, the opening of this is going to give us our x here, x is x to the power of 3, then minus our t, x to the power of 2 minus our 3x, then plus our 3t. Okay, so what we do by comparison, so we're going to compare. Okay, we're going to draw some comparison here. Okay, so by comparing, let's say by comparing the terms, this we go with this, right? No. So this very one here, we're having tx squared, we're having a 4x squared. So if we take this term, it's going to give us our minus 4, or x to the power of 2 is equal to our minus tx to the power of 2. So these will cancel out, and our x squared will cancel out x squared. So we're going to have our t is equal to 4. Simple as ABC. So if we have our t is equal to 4, remember we said let the third zero be t. So t is equal to 4. But again, let's check if we compare the constant term, which is our 12, and our 3t, because this is the constant term, it will still give us 12. So by comparing the constant term, we're going to have our 12 equal to our 3t plus 3t. And so we divide by 3, equally divide this side by 3. So this and this will leave the system. 3 here 1, 3 here will give us 4. So we're going to have our t is equal to 4 also. So either of the terms compared will give our third zero to be 4. So the third zero to this challenge is 4. Therefore, we can now say that the first one, which is our x1, is square root of 3 positive. The x2 is equal to minus the square root of 3, and our x4 is 4. Okay, sorry, s3 rather. So x3 is 4. So these are the zeros to this function which we have here. All right, so this brings us to the end of today's class. If you learned something from this video tutorial, give the video a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe. And when you subscribe, do not forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for being there. Until we see you in our next class, keep winning. Remember that Jakes does love you. Bye.